Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone are doing good. After a small break, I have come with one of healthiest breakfasts prepared traditionally in Kerala, which is called Paranganji or rice gruel. This is generally prepared with leftover rice and fermented overnight. Fermented rice is rich in vitamins and generate good bacteria that helps in digestion. It also keeps our body light, cool, fresh and energetic throughout the day. It also helps to keep you fuller for a longer time. So let's get started and check out the recipe for preparing this healthy breakfast. Traditionally, this rice gruel or paranganji is served with fried dry fish. So let's fry this fish first by adding few masalas. Pinch of turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of chili powder, pinch of pepper powder and very little salt, as dry fish already have enough salt in it. Add 1 teaspoon of water and make a paste. And let's apply it on the fish pieces. Into a kadai, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Once oil turns hot, let's fry the fishes. Let's flip it on the other side and fry the fish as well. Our fishes are fried well. Let's remove and keep it aside. Next, let's crush some shallots. Shallots are highly nutritious. They are full of fiber, vitamins, minerals and antioxidants which have many health benefits, like it improves the blood sugar level, blood circulation, lower the blood pressure, speed up the digestion and also helps in weight loss. Once crushed, let's transfer it to a bowl and keep it aside. Next, I am going to crush some Kandari mulaga, which is also called bird's eye chili. The reason it is called bird's eye chili is because birds like to pick the ripe chili. This chili, though it looks very small, it is extremely hot and also have many health benefits, like it helps in reducing blood pressure, cholesterol and heart problem. Let's transfer it to a bowl and keep it aside. Now let's start preparing the paranganji. Steel or glass vessel can be used to make this recipe, but to get the perfect taste, earthen pot is best. Into the pot, add 1 cup of fermented rice, 1 cup of tapioca cooked, crushed shallot, crushed Kandari mulaga, 1 cup of thick curd, 1 tablespoon of mango pickle or any pickle of your choice, salt to taste, 1 cup of water in room temperature. You can also add leftover fish curry to this paranganji. Next, by using the hand, we need to mix and mash all together. Our delicious healthy breakfast is ready to be served. The taste and feel of this recipe cannot be explained in words, so you must try this recipe at least once for that heavenly feel. As mentioned earlier, this recipe has many health benefits, rich in fiber, good source of vitamin B12 and B6, control blood pressures, cholesterol and hypertension. If you like my video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.